Hi, I'm Amy Wolf with VUCast. I don't know about you, but I'm a little obsessed with the Wii. The idea of getting a tiny bit of exercise while beating my husband at Wii bowling is pretty gratifying. The folks at the Vanderbilt Stallworth Rehab Hospital love the Wii as well. Therapists say these video games are getting amazing results for rehab patients who'd lost the strength and ability to move. Barb Kramer has the story.
It's kind of scary, you know. One day you're healthy, and the next day you're having emergency heart surgery.
Joshua Ress is on his way to gym class.
How are you?
Moving slowly in his wheelchair. 28-year-old Joshua, an EMT paramedic, was healthy and working helping others until a few weeks ago.
I was at my apartment and I collapsed.
Hospital tests diagnosed endocarditis, inflammation in his heart.
The mitral valve had, disintegrated. Parts of it had floated into the bloodstream up to my brain and caused a stroke.
All right, you got it?
To help with a weakened left hand and foot, Joshua turned to physical therapy and something new: sports video games.
If you get too tired, just...
Joshua wants to improve his balance, strength, and endurance by playing Wii.
Oh, we'll do it again.
I can definitely tell I'm using muscles that I don't really hit in any other exercises.
Recreation therapist Carrie Redmond says the active video games also help with fine motor coordination and range of motion.
I'd aim pretty high if I were you.
Redmond says each patient has specific goals to work on for different muscles and movements.
If they are not able to stand or put any weight on their legs, a lot of times I find the bowling or just a lot of the seated games work well. Make your arm go up more. Our activities just take their mind off of either the pain or the fact that they're really tired, and then by the end of the session, they haven't even realized they've been working, so I think that's your new personal best.
Redmond has seen major improvements, especially with traumatic brain injury patients.
Sometimes they'll start doing seated games and exercises with the Wii, and then by the time they leave, they'll be up on the Wii Fit balance board. There you go.
My goal is to get back to where I was.
Doctors say Josh is doing exceptionally well.
There's so many other things you have to dodge.
Josh says after a break, he'll be back to play so he can soon get back to work.
I just want to get healthy.
In Nashville, Barb Kramer reporting.
Josh actually went home just a few days after Barb talked with him for this story. He continues to work with the video games to improve his movement and balance.
Vanderbilt University Medical Center is proud to present Vanderbilt Health Radio.
The Vanderbilt Dyer Observatory is truly one of the coolest places wearing the Vanderbilt name. Students and the public can visit to learn firsthand about astronomy and space. And now you can be an armchair astronomer right from your own computer. Dyer's all-sky camera gives you a live look at what's happening in the heavens 24/7. You can also check out weather conditions, follow second-by-second moon info, and even see NASA images of the sun. You can find out all about the amazing things happening at the Vanderbilt Dyer Observatory by becoming a fan of Dyer on Facebook or go to dyer.vanderbilt.edu.
I like best.
Haven't you always wanted to do this, at least once? Well, Rand Dining Hall hasn't seen a food fight like this in a long time, but a group of students and artists from the Texas-based OK Mountain Art Collective created a food fight of their own. A mural depicting a tongue-in-cheek battle between healthy and junk food is now painted near the entrance of Rand.
We had the idea of doing a food fight would just be really funny, and so we used art historical sort of references for the characters. So there's quotations from kind of art history, and that's how the characters are laid out in this sort of battle to blow.
I personally loved the grimacing bacon, and that corn dog on the sausage horse looks suspiciously like the Commodore. For that, we give this mural 4 fatty Commodore dogs. You can learn more about the OK Mountain Art Collective on vanderbilt.edu/news. For VUCast, I'm Amy Wolf.